Hello and welcome. Today is our last episode with Andy Macintosh. Andy is running for deputy mayor in the town of Orangeville. Thanks for being here today, Andy.
Thank you, Bradley.
So I want to give you an opportunity, as it is our last episode, to speak to the voter. Tell us why the voter should vote for you.
Okay, well, there's a number of reasons I feel. I've worked for the town of Orangeville for the last 30 years, as I mentioned before. Last 16 as your fire chief. I'm trustworthy. I know finances. I've worked for 8 different councils and gotten along with 8 different councils. I'm very good at getting along with people, understanding people. I also feel it's time for a change. I really feel, there's some councillors that have been there over 20 odd years, and sometimes they get stuck in a rut. It's time to change, and I'd like to be part of that change. And one of the things I think you have to ask anyone returning this year is, what have you done for us in the last 4 years? If they can't answer that question, honestly, I don't think you should vote them back in. Let's bring some fresh blood in, get some things done, fix some mistakes that have been made in the past. And I'd like to be part of that.
Thank you again for coming in, Andy, and I really do appreciate you taking the time to help inform the voter about what you stand for.
Thank you.
And if you'd like to see more videos, as always, do take a look at the links below. But before I let you go, I want to reiterate how important it is that you exercise your democratic right to get out there and vote. Make your decision, get informed by watching these videos, and make sure that our town has the proper representation that it deserves. Thanks for watching.